Hi, this is Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I am here with 3 months of Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I am quitting, but not because they haven't been awesome, because they have been, but I think I have enough right now to try to work through my stash before getting any more fabric or I don't really need any of the gadgets that they have been forwarding. I have plenty of sewing gadgets. So anyway, I'm going to go through these boxes and let you know what my thoughts are.
Sounds like Fido wants a treat.
You know what's funny is Alexa knows my dog's name.
I don't have an answer for that.
The A word knows my dog's name, and when he barks, says that he needs a treat. Okay, so anyway, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do everything on this channel involving sewing and quilting and beauty products and reviews, and you know, if you're interested in any of that, please subscribe. Anyway, I'm going to go through these boxes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the February and March and April boxes. I did cancel my subscription in time to not get the May box. So I got 3 boxes here. This one is February. I know what you guys are most interested in, at least it's usually me that is feeling this way. But what I am most interested, I never took advantage of the coupons, by the way. And the patterns are, well, that's pretty good. I did not take advantage of the coupons because I found a better deal for fabric through the Keepsake Quilting website. I get the 2-pound pack when I feel like I need it. I only got it once so far, but I'll, continue to do that because that's actually yardage and it's all beautiful. So anyway, this came with a card that has a discount on the back of it. This is February Trending Tradition, and there's some really pretty, there's one you can actually look up for free on the website, and it's called Confetti Stars Table Runner. But I can't really show you the card. This side has the discount on it, but that is the table runner that you can get a free pattern for. So anyway, let me put that aside. Sadly, this came with block number, what block is it? I don't know. I know we were in block numbers. Oh, probably the next things. This is, block 11, Quilt Along, and this is Cosmos. You can buy these patterns if you want to on the Sew Sampler website, but honestly, there are so many free patterns on the website and on YouTube that you really, unless there's something specific that you really want to do and you can't figure it out, then like this looks difficult. This requires a pattern. And it's not as hard as it looks when you look inside. So anyway, let me keep that. This is called, yeah, we did get a jelly roll. So anyway, this is called the Thick and Thin pattern. I'm not gonna, I probably will never make this, but I will certainly make a jelly roll race of some kind, or a table runner, or something of that nature. Basically what they're doing is they're cutting some of the 2.5-inch strips in half, and that makes the Thick and Thin quilt pattern, which actually is kind of interesting. So it might be something that I would consider doing. You always get patterns like this in your box. This is the leaflet that you get that has all of the information, and basically gives you the monetary value. The value of this pattern is $9.98. They don't really give the price for this, but I believe I've seen these for $4.95 on the website. Not positive, but yeah, don't quote me on that. Block 11, let's see. Oh wait, yeah, there it is, $4.98 on the website. You can buy the whole series if you want to. Okay, this is one thing that's super useful for me, and that is a sewing machine light. So I'm going to be figuring this all out. It's very small, but it's, you know, it's pretty freaking awesome. I guess it sheds quite a bit of light, and so I'm going to wait until I am ready to hook this up, and then I'll take it out of the box. Another thing that is actually in a box, it's pretty worthwhile. I didn't open it, but I'm gonna open it now. And that is a needle set. Come on. There we go. There we go. I'm going to leave it on the card just until I get it into storage, but it's a little vial. Like, look at the size of my hand. It's a very little tiny vial, and it's full of needles, and they are not sewing machine needles. They are actually quilting needles, number 10. If you hand quilt, these are really valuable, and I am a hand quilter, so yeah, I do like these definitely quite a bit. We also got some thread. This 100% cotton, and this is a jelly roll that is 26. It's a half a jelly roll basically, and it's all dark colors. I might marry these with some light colors that I have, and make a pretty nice quilt with that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to definitely using this stuff. So this was a good box. This is February again. Okay. Now, March. March was Spring Memories. And this came with some weird stuff. Oops, let me see. The free pattern that you can look up on the website. It's a Fat 8th Fruitcake Shortcut Quilt Pattern. Huh? Anyway, it looks more like a table runner than a quilt, but anyway, it's called Fat 8th Fruitcake Shortcut Quilt Pattern. So that is what you will type into your search box. Okay, and this is the leaflet that tells us everything that we have, and we have Fat 8ths here. Let's see, we have a few interesting things in here. And this is the booklet that tells you what everything's worth. Okay, so these itty bitty bitty teeny weeny pieces of fabric. It's 12 Fat 8ths. Where's the price? Oh, there it is. Wow, $27.98. Now, I see a lot of patterns, and I've seen other people open these and look at them. They have a lot of writing, and they also look like they would make absolutely fabulous table runner or placemats. So I like it. I just don't like that it's this small. Okay. Then there's a water pen, definitely useful because it goes with the piecing paper, which I will never use. At this point, I will never use it. But you never know. Stranger things have happened, right? You also get a charm, which is really cute. It says quilter on it. And that's really cool. You can put it on a zipper pull, on your purse, on your planner. you know, anywhere really. Okay, now let me just tell you, the paper is $12.48 and the water pen is $12.78. It also comes with a set of tweezers. Now this pattern, Spring Flags, I know somebody was very excited when I watched the unboxing about this pattern, but I am not that excited about it. I want to do something different with it. So with the fat eighths, and I'm not real fond of the flag design, but you never know. I might decide to go ahead and do that. So okay, I got 2 patterns. Oh, I got block number 12 and the finishing pattern, which is interesting, but the finishing pattern will probably be more interesting to me as I go along if I do any of these blocks. Okay, and that is let's see, this pattern is, and the finishing is $9.96, and that's also with the finishing page. So yeah, it's pretty neat. The charm was $4.98, and that is everything in this box. And I wasn't excited about this, but you never know. You can piece right on it and then use your water pen to dislodge the piecing from the paper. And this, I have to keep my brain focused on this, as this will make really good kitchen something. And yeah, I do really like the fabric design. Okay, so that is spring, and that is March. Now finally, there is the April box. I did skip May forward. I might rejoin at some point, but at this point I don't believe I need to be a member of this any longer. Now I repackaged this so it's the fabric is right on top. Anyway, the free pattern that you can look up is Fat Quarter Flowers Shortcut Quilt Pattern. That doesn't actually make any sense. But that's what the title says. Download the free Fat Quarter Flowers Shortcut Quilt Pattern. Oh well. And I also got a percentage off, but you have to be a member to use that, and I'm no longer a member, and I'm not interested anyway. And this is the leaflet that has the price on everything. Okay, this was a bonus item. It's a sticker. I use stickers in my planner, so I might just stick it in there, but then once the day passes, it's gone forever, so I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's cool. This is a needle minder. Let's see. Yeah, I guess you can, it's magnetized, so you can actually put it on your sewing machine if your sewing machine has any metal parts that it can grip onto. And this is $11.98. Then there is the fabric. And this is Bob and Bloom's Flower Girl Fat Quarter Bundle. Let's see how many are in here. Well, let's see. Might say on the label. No, but I can see that it's 6 fat quarters. Fat quarters are useless, kind of not very useful. not as useful as yardages, so yeah, I'm not sure. The last couple things I really do like, but I am going to save them for last. And that is, one of these is the block number 1, and this is block number 1 for the year 2024, and it is block 1 churn dash basket block. Looks a little bit difficult. And this pattern I really love, and I would make it bigger, is the Bob and Bloom's quilt pattern. And it's got multiple pages, so it's probably a little more complex than I realize. Now, let's see what they are. $9.98 for the really complex, this one. And this one is $4.98, I believe. Let's see. I don't see it on here, but I'm also looking super fast, so I think they're all $4.98. Okay, and there's a notebook. I do really love notebooks. Anyone who's been following me knows how much I love notebooks. So I'm going to show this to you, even though it's been shown by other people multiple times. I'm going to show it anyway, because some pages are lined and some pages are not. What can I use? Let's see. I use an unopened pen. Yeah, just need to score the plastic. Okay. Alright. I already have a notebook that I use to sketch out different designs that I like. So I didn't really need this. This is fabric.
Sounds like Fido wants a treat.
Oh God. This says Sew Craft Creative on the front. And it's got a band that you can close it and keep it closed. I think my husband's calling me. And this is what the pages are like. There's graph on one side and lined on the other. So I can definitely use that. And finally, there's a kit. Now, I wish they had included more kits. A lot of people didn't like getting this, but I am very excited to have gotten it. And you can use your fat quarters to make it. It's Crafty Clutch. It comes with paper that you can use for your piecing. I save directions for stuff like this so that I can make them again. So yeah, no, I used to belong years and years and years ago. There was a Better Homes and Gardens Crafts Club, and I belonged to that, and we used to get a kit every month, and I used to love it. And I had made everything. Well, this is really cool, and I'll definitely make that. So I'll use the fat quarters that came in this box, and yeah, very, very happy with that. Not that happy with the fabric, but happy with everything else. So that was my last box, and that was April. So the reason I'm not continuing this subscription is not because I didn't like what I got, but I got a lot of stuff I don't really need, and it's pretty expensive after shipping and tax, so it's good to take a break from it for now. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with all 3 of these boxes. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.